high-level officials of North and South Korea hold talks, agreeing to begin a joint project to improve roads and railways. In Nicaragua, human rights groups say police arrested 26 people on Sunday before a planned march against the government of President Daniel Ortega. Sunday was the first anniversary of Somalia's deadliest bombing. Over 500 people died in that attack. Today, those affected struggle to move on. And in Macedonia, Parliament opens debate on whether to approve a deal to change the country's name.